Hey, Charlie Allred here, the Healthy Diabetic, and I just got a question from one of our group members, and it was about almond flour. So I just kind of wanted to talk about why I use almond flour as opposed to regular. Her question was, well, if I buy almond flour, what am I going to use it for? And am I actually going to use it, and why do I buy it? It's expensive. So I just thought I would talk quickly about almond flour. So here's the one that I've been using lately, and I bought it on Amazon. And I do have a favorite brand that's local to Arizona, but Amazon didn't have it the other day, so I bought this one, and it's pretty good, I have to say. So here's why. In a quarter cup of almond flour, it has 6 grams of carbs. So only 6 grams in a quarter cup, and 3 of those 6 grams are dietary fiber. So I always want to eat food that's closest to its natural form, right? So like real food. So to me, this is almonds. That's really all it is. If you look at the ingredients, blanched almonds. So it's just, ground up. That's all it is. So if I look at my bag of flour that I have here, and I do have one, just in case. I don't know why I have this. It's unopened at my house. It is, for a quarter cup, 22 grams of carbs. So to me, that just seems like too many carbs for a quarter cup. And if you're making, what I use the almond flour for, so I'm gonna go back to the almond flour. If you're making, you can make keto pizza. So basically, what's that called? The fathead dough. You can make the bagels. I make cookies out of this almond flour for my kids. You can make grain-free nut bars. You can really make a ton of things. And it may seem like pricier, obviously, but you're getting vitamins, you're eating real almonds, you're not eating, wheat ground up and a bunch of stuff put in it and bleached and all that. So I definitely recommend the almond flour, and that's why I use it. So I hope you have a great day, and here is to living your healthiest life.